Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick little tutorial and honestly try out for the first time the new Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale, the Color Goddess palette. This is what it looks like. I'm super excited about this palette because it has like purples, has like some smokier shades, and then you got like your neutrals. And I really love purple shades, as you guys know, and I'm also really excited because she improved her packaging a little bit. I like how she included the names on the actual palette instead of on the like plastic sheet that most people just throw away. So that also makes me super excited. And yeah, so be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and we'll go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to dip into the shade Sammy using my Morphe M433. I'm just going to tap off the excess and pop this in my crease. Next, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Priscilla. Next, I'm going to take this smaller tapered brush from Morphe and I'm going to dip into the shade Kristen and focus this on the outer V, the outer corner of my eye. And blend it into the crease a little bit. I'll go back in with another color in a second to do some more blending. Okay, now I'm going to dip in with this fluffy Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Nat. And blend that over it. Alright, next I'm going to wet and take my Morphe G14 brush. I'm just going to wet it with some Fix Plus really quickly. And I'm going to dip into the shade Kim H. And I'm going to use this for my lid. Now I'm going to go back in with that smaller tapered brush and dip back into the shade Kristen and kind of focus this on the outer part of my eye and blend it in. Just make sure the depth is still there. Next I'm going to throw on some liner, and I'm using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner like I always do. I'm just going to quickly line my eyes. Next, I'm going to go with my Morphe E18, and I'm going to dip into the shade Sammy first. Put this on my lower lash line. And then next, I'm going to go in with the shade Priscilla using the same brush. Now I'm going to go in with this brush. It's kind of like a Morphe E36. I'm going to dip into the shade Nat, just to add some purple down there. And I'm going to line my lower lash line using some black liner. And now for mascara, I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs, the Velvet Noir one. I'm just going to coat my lashes. Alright, so I did go ahead and pop on some false lashes. I am, of course, wearing my Ardell Mega Volume Lash in Style 250. And then I did pop on some inner corner highlight and like brow bone highlight. I mixed my Burberry Rose Gold highlight with the shade Kayla in this palette. A lot of these bigger shades, I mean all of the bigger shades I guess, have shimmer to them, so I couldn't really use them. I think they're just like a bigger eyeshadow pan, honestly. This, if you have like a more medium deep skin tone, you can probably use this as a highlighter, but not for me. Maybe I could use this one, maybe. But yeah, so that is it for this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just kind of wanted to test out the Illuminate by Ashley what is this one called? It just says Goddess, but I think it's like her Color Goddess one. Has like the purpley shadows in it, because I did actually used to have her Beach Goddess and Night Goddess. And then I went through and got rid of a bunch of palettes and actually got rid of both of those. But then I saw she came out with the Color Goddess, and I love purple shadows, as you guys can tell, and I had to pick it up, and I am like really pleasantly surprised. I also did repurchase her Night Goddess palette because it was on sale, and I did I liked her palettes, but it was just something I wasn't reaching for. But lately I have been, especially when I need something quick and on the go. And yeah, so that is it. Oh, and by the way, I am wearing the lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Kim KW. It's just like a good nude lip for me. I feel like it kind of goes with my sweater because it kind of has like some pink and purple in it, so it kind of works, I guess. But yeah, so that is it for this quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I can't wait to bring you guys some more content this year. I can't believe it's 2018 already. But yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.